So here's what you're gonna need to make your Mexican Jello shot: some tamarindo flavor, a Smirnoff, and then any flavor Jello will work. You can use pineapple, you can use whatever flavor you like. I'm using strawberry. This is the chamoy that I'm going to use, and the tajin. These last items are optional, but this is what I like. I set out the little containers that I bought at the dollar store, put some tajin at the bottom, or the first layer, and then the second is scooping some chamoy into each individual cup. Like I said, this is optional if you can skip it, but hey, this is what the Mexican Jello shots require. Boil 2 cups of water. I'm going to have different containers. This one with a spout is going to make it easier to pour into the containers. So once the water is boiled, I'm going to turn it off and then slowly start adding the Jello and mix. You got to mix very well and then remove it from the heat. I'm going to let it cool off in this bowl because I do not want the heat to cook off the alcohol. No. We want it nice and strong. So I'm going to leave it there to cool off. I had a 1 cup of water in the freezer to help with the cooling process. Just like I said, I really want these strong and delicious. I don't want the vodka to be cooked off by the heat. So then I poured the cup of water, cold water, and mixed very well, and then added 1 cup of the tamarindo vodka. You can adjust accordingly to how strong you want them. So I did another batch that was way stronger, and I used half a cup of water at the end, and then a cup and a half of the tamarindo vodka, aside from the 2 cups that I used to boil the packet of Jello. I hope that makes sense. If not, just leave me a comment and I'll answer it. Then once I've mixed it all and incorporated it all, that's when I put it all in here in this bowl. And then I use that bowl with the spout to pour it, cover it, chill, let it set, and then time to enjoy. Like it if you did, and follow for more.